In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Asana. 5 minutes. We'll keep this simple and clear. First, open your browser and go to Asana. On the login page, enter the email address you use for your Asana account, then click Continue. Next, type your password and select Log In. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, follow those prompts as they appear. If you're already signed in, you can skip ahead to opening your project. Once you land on your Asana home, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace or team, especially if you belong to more than one. From here, find the project you want to remove. You can pick it from your recent projects on the home page or use the search bar to locate it by name. Click the project to open it. At the top of the project, look for the Actions menu. This is the three-dot icon near the project's title in the header. Click that to open the drop-down menu. In this list, you'll see various options for managing the project. Choose Delete Project. When you select Delete Project, Asana will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove it. This is your last chance to verify you're deleting the correct project. Double-check the project name, team, and any identifying details to avoid removing the wrong one. When you're sure, click Delete to confirm. A few quick best practices before you hit that final button. If you're not completely certain, consider archiving the project instead of deleting it. Archiving hides the project from active views, but keeps its information available if you need to reference it later. Also, make sure you have the right permissions to delete projects in your team or organization. If you don't see the option, you may need help from a project owner or an admin. Keep in mind that deleting a project removes its views, conversations, and settings. Depending on how your team organizes work, tasks that were only tied to this project may be harder to find afterward. If you think you'll need the data, consider downloading a quick export or capturing key information before you proceed. And that's all it takes. You logged in, opened the project, used the Actions menu, selected Delete Project, and confirmed the deletion. If this was helpful, give it a try on a test project first so you're comfortable with the flow before removing something important. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.